What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video I have the final announcement for you guys. This is going to be my last mastermind. So the December Mind is going in its final sale right now. The link is in the description. We have around 20 spots left when we announced it today. And I'm going to tell you in this video why this is going to be the last mastermind that I'm hosting for you guys. Because obviously it's been great fun. We had over 500 students this year, which we have coached over 3 masterminds. So a huge experience. All the partners were happy, very satisfied. Over a 90% average success rate. Customers giving us a 10 out of 10 on our feedback score. So I'm super happy with what we've accomplished this year, but we decided to take a new direction with Debru, with our education model. So the final sale is on right now. We're doing 50% off the normal price. So the entry-level tickets in April and September, we're taking it 50% off, filling out the last cap we have left. So we sell out the entire mastermind, this 10-week program where you learn how to run Facebook and Instagram traffic with paid advertisement, lead generation, sweepstakes, single opt-in, IVR, pin submit, and credit card trials, advanced Facebook ad ecosystems, advanced Facebook ad strategies, so you can conquer the banhammer of Zuckerberg. So let me tell you why we're taking things in a new direction, because it is not too late to join right now. As I said, there's a link in the description, but I want you to understand why we're not doing it over and over again. Because in this same context we're doing it right now, the business is just moving too fast. It's too much labor. It's a very intense process to teach, and we're changing our business model. So at the end of this month, we'll have a very big announcement about the changes we're going through and the changes we're going to apply. So after the mastermind is done, we have no products to sell anymore. We're not going to build courses. We're not doing webinars. We really want to focus on the educational aspect. We don't feel the need to make clickbait videos, all that stuff to get our traffic in. We want to make quality content and of course create a real educational platform for affiliate marketing. So what we've been doing so far is obviously getting traffic from YouTube, doing these huge live events 3 times per year, which is super dope, but for an educational business, it is not as stable. So we're looking for a new opportunity. We have a big team, right? We're over a dozen people focusing on this new direction, and it will take some time, but at the end of the month, we'll present you guys with this new interesting idea we have basically, and we will need your support. So right now, I just want to offer you the last opportunity to join me and the Debru team in 10 weeks of online live coaching, where we have live Q&As every week. We'll focus on Facebook. We'll take you through the entire setup. So even if you've never made a single conversion online before, we can help you figure it all out. We'll take you through everything step by step. If you need additional coaching, we're here for you guys. We can walk you through everything, technical setup, landers, trackers, anything which has to do with Facebook bands, conversions, networks, advertisers, it is all included. So we even have the Mastermind Competition. I already made a separate video about it. If you haven't checked it yet, it's on the YouTube channel. It will also be mentioned in the Mastermind again. You can win tickets to Affiliate World Barcelona in July 2020. So if you hit a certain amount in revenue within the Mastermind period of December 2019, January 2020, the top 3 people will be invited to join me on Regards of Big Bang Ads in Barcelona to Affiliate World. You get a free affiliate ticket there. You will join me for dinner and we'll have a crazy night out in Barcelona. So that competition is obviously a huge value stack added to the Mastermind. At the end of this month, as I said, on Black Friday, we'll make a huge announcement of the change in our business, and I don't think anybody will be able to guess it at this point. It's going to be very crazy, very new for all of us. but I think a very, very interesting model. I think we'll open up the market to more people. We've done a lot of premium coaching, right? High ticket stuff. And now we're accepting everybody. And this is going to be great. But first, I want to round off the last mastermind we're doing in the current setup. And I want to personally invite you to join us at a 50% off entry fee for the first 20 people. So if you're one of the action takers, if you want to quit your job, build a business, build an empire, pay your kids extra money, give your divorced wife extra money, whatever it is, if you want to buy 10 dogs or you want to buy that dear Lamborghini, you can join the mastermind now in the last 20 spots, and I will see you there. Click the link in the description down below. Join me for the final one and only last live mastermind in 2019, 2020, December and January, 10 weeks straight. We're building your affiliate marketing business. Thank you guys so much for the support. Even if you don't buy any of my products, I still appreciate you watching me, watching the journey, how everything is going. I appreciate every view for you guys. And if you have nothing nice to say about what we're doing, what we're trying to do with our education business, with the mastermind, or you just want to say hello, thank you for the free videos, leave your comments in the comment section down below, and I always like to respond to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the mastermind, and until the next one.